Hey guys, my name is Owen Parks and welcome back to another theme park heist video where imagination can turn into a reality. But before this video starts, make sure you go ahead and like this video and also give me a subscribe and turn on my notifications so you're updated when I upload a video. If you're planning on going to Disneyland for your first time, here are some 5 tips that'll help you through the way on your vacation. First thing is first, you need to download the Disneyland Mobile App. Download the Disneyland Mobile App before you arrive. Wait times, shows, listing, park maps, restaurant menus, and so much more. If you buy your park tickets with the app, you only need to show your barcode at the gate for admission when you first arrive at the park. So having the Disneyland Mobile App is necessary for using MaxPass, which is technically another way of saying FastPass for Disneyland uses. Make sure you make use of a FastPass if you get one. The FastPass system is one of the best ways to maximize your time at Disneyland. In case you're not familiar with the system, select attractions in both parks allow you to insert your park ticket and get a FastPass that gives you a return time to the specified attraction. If you're going to Disneyland or Disney California Adventure, make sure you buy your tickets online. When you buy tickets in advance, you'll go straight through the entrance and won't have to spend any time in ticket booth lines, which can save you an hour on a busy day. If you purchase a 3-day ticket or longer, you'll be eligible for Magic Morning. With Magic Morning, you can enjoy one day of early admission to Disneyland Park, usually on Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. If you're going to want to get something at Disneyland or California Adventure or a souvenir from anywhere around the park's property, make sure you buy your souvenirs ahead of time. Yes, who doesn't want a Disneyland hat, shirt, or mug? We all want a little something special from the parks. We like to buy a few souvenirs online ahead of the trip. This saves time spent in the parks, in the shops, but also money. Say you don't want to buy anything online and you want to wait to get it at the park. Wait until the end of the evening to shop at one of the stores on Main Street. If you're looking to maximize your time at Disneyland shows, attractions, parades, consider saving your shopping until the park closes. Alright, that's all the tips I can give you for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll leave a link in the description to my latest video on the top 5 secrets you might not know about Disney. So that's going to do it for this video. My name is Owen Parks. Thank you for attending Theme Park Heist, and I will see you in another video.